Hey everyone, welcome back to AppInsight AI. I'm Amelia, and if you've ever wanted to create a talking AI avatar, today's your lucky day. Imagine being able to make a realistic avatar that talks just like you without a fancy studio, without even stepping in front of the camera, and best of all, completely free. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. Whether you want to create a virtual assistant, a social media influencer, or just a fun digital character for your projects, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. And the best part? No watermarks, no hidden costs, just a high quality talking AI avatar you can use however you want. Here you can see I have created AI avatars.
Hi, I'm your new AI avatar. In this video, I'll show you how you can create your own talking avatar. No camera, no fancy setup, just a few clicks and you'll have a realistic animated character like me. Stay tuned to learn how it's done for free.
Want to create your own talking avatar? I'm here to show you how it's done. No studio needed, just a few simple tools, and you can have an avatar like me, completely for free. Keep watching to see how.
Creating a talking avatar is easier than you think. Follow along and I'll show you how to create your own AI avatar, just like me, using free tools. Ready to get started?
Right now, take a look at this amazing AI avatar I've created. As you can see, it looks super realistic. And yes, it's completely free to make. Pretty cool, right? Stick around because I'll walk you through exactly how I did this, so you can create your own avatar too. Now let's jump right into it. The first step to creating your avatar is making your image. To do that, we'll be using Leonardo AI. So open your browser and type in Leonardo. That'll bring you to their website. When you get there, click on Launch App and log in. If you don't have an account, just sign up. I'm already logged in, so let's keep going. Once you're logged in, click on Image Creation. Now let me explain why we're using Leonardo AI for this part. When you click on credits, you'll see that with a free account, you get 150 credits per day. That means if you don't finish creating your avatar today, you can come back tomorrow and use the credits again. So you've got plenty of time to get it just right. Now that we've covered that, let's actually create the avatar. I'm going to leave the exact prompt I'm using in the description below, so you can copy and paste it. But before you click generate, let's make sure you've got everything set up correctly. You can customize things like the age of your avatar. For example, if you want a younger avatar, just adjust the age setting. I'm going to create a 25-year-old avatar for this example. You can also change the gender male or female, or even go gender neutral. For this demo, I'm choosing male. You can also customize the appearance of your avatar, like what's on the desk. I'm going to use a microphone, a laptop, and some papers, but feel free to add your own creative touches. Once you've got the avatar set up the way you want it, don't hit generate just yet. We need to tweak a few more settings. For the preset, choose Cinematic Keynote. This preset works the best for creating high-quality images. For the style, keep it at cinematic. The contrast should be set to medium, and for conversion mode, select fast. Since you're on the free plan, the image dimensions should be 16 by 9. But if you're doing this on your phone, you might want to go with 9 by 16. For file size, pick medium, which is the largest option available on the free plan. Finally, choose to generate 4 images. Once everything is set up, click Generate Image. This usually only takes a few seconds. Now you'll see the generated images. Take a look at these, and if one of them works, great. If not, you can always click Generate again or adjust the settings to get a different look. For example, you could change the age to 20 or switch the gender to female. Be mindful of your credits though, because they can run out quickly. If you do run out, you'll need to wait for the next day to get more credits, or you can create a new account. Once you've found the perfect avatar, hit download, and now we're ready for the next step. The second step is to upscale the image, because the quality from Leonardo AI might not be good enough for a high-quality video. To do this, we'll use Crea AI. You can sign up for a free account, just like we did with Leonardo. Once you're logged in, go to the home screen and click on Enhancer. This is where you can upload the image you just downloaded. Once you upload the image, Crea AI will ask how much you want to upscale it. With the free plan, you can upscale the image twice, which is enough for what we're doing. When you upscale, you'll notice a big difference. The image will be sharper and have more texture. Once you're happy with the result, hit download and you're all set. Now we move on to the third step, animating the image. For this part, we'll use DubDub. First, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quick and easy. The best part? You can do everything with a free account. I'm currently using the free plan myself. After logging in, go to the studio section, then select AI Avatar. This is where you'll upload your enhanced image. At this point, you'll see a reminder prompting you to crop your image. Make sure to adjust the crop to a 16:9 size, then click Confirm. And that's it, your image is ready to go. The next step is adding a voiceover to your avatar. There are 3 ways to do this. The first option is using DubDub's built-in voices. While they're convenient, I don't find them to be the highest quality, so I have 2 other suggestions for you. The free option is OpenAI's text-to-speech. Here's how it works. Go to their website, and you'll be able to choose from a variety of voices. I've already gone through the effort of listening to all the available voices and picked my favorites for you. If you're going for a male voiceover, I recommend these options. And if you're choosing a female voiceover, these are my top picks. Here's my process. I listen to a sample of the voice.
AI is a technology that converts text into speech based on artificial intelligence platform.
Then I look at the avatar's image and ask myself, does this voice match the face? Once I find a voice that feels right, I type in the text I want the avatar to say. For example, I might type something like, hey, make sure to subscribe to AppInsight AI. After typing the text, you can adjust the speed of the voice. I usually make it slightly faster than normal, then click on Create Speech. Once the speech is processed, go to the History section to download upload the audio file. Let's wait for it to finish processing.
Hey, make sure to subscribe to AppInsight AI.
Okay, now the voiceover is ready, so let's download it. Next, we'll upload this voiceover into DupDub. Just click Upload and add your audio file there. If you're serious about making high-quality voiceovers, I recommend investing in 11 Labs. Their basic plan starts at just $5 per month and provides incredibly realistic voices. Compared to OpenAI's text-to-speech, 11 Labs is a step up, especially when it comes to quality. With their free plan, you can still access several voices, but the best ones are the community-created options marked with a check mark. Those are the ones I recommend. Once your voiceover is ready, click Generate Talking Avatar in DupDub. This will cost some credits, and the generated video will include a watermark. But don't worry, I'll show you how to remove that watermark in the next step. The video is now finished, and my avatar has something to say to you.
Hey, make sure to subscribe to AppInsight AI.
The final step to complete your avatar is removing that annoying watermark. It just doesn't look professional. In my opinion, the easiest way to do this is by using Filmora 12, though you can also use a free option like CapCut. I'm using Filmora 12 for this example. First, load your video into the timeline. Then, add your image and place it on a layer above the video. Here's what you do next. Create a mask. You'll likely be in the basic settings by default, so click on the mask option. Choose the rectangle shape and then move the rectangle to cover the watermark. Once you've done that, you'll notice the watermark is gone. This works because the only part of the video that's moving is the avatar's face, while the rest of the scene stays static. After creating the mask, make sure to trim any excess. Once everything looks good, export the final version of your video and you're done. And that's it.
Hey, make sure to subscribe to AppInsight AI.
You've now got a professional-looking AI avatar that talks. And best of all, you did it all for free without any watermarks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments, so feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. For all the links and tools I mentioned, make sure to check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.